virtual ray emanates from the stylus and intersects the screen. And then when you click on button 0, you'll get a left button event. 1 will be a right button event, and 2 will be a middle button event. And this can be dynamic. You can set it to enabled and disabled as long as the application runs. So if there's some places where you want it to happen and other places where you don't want it to happen, you can dynamically control that. So that is all of the code that I wanted to go through for this webinar. Now we can open it up to questions for anyone that has questions about what we've covered. So go ahead and put your questions into the chat room, and I will repeat the questions and hopefully answer them. It looks like we already have one question. Someone asked, is it necessary to set up all these low-level stereo options when using a higher-level engine like Unity, or is it just for writing low-level OpenGL applications? So the answer is no. If for instance, you're using a high-level platform that has already done this for you, then you don't need to do any of this. So I'll give you a couple examples. For the Unity plugin that we're going to make available with our 2.7 release, you effectively don't have to do anything that I just described because we've done it all for you in that plugin. The same with, we have a modified version of Ogre that we use for some of our demos. You don't have to actually write any of that code because it's all written for you. Some of the direct interaction stuff, you are going to need to understand, what the pose information is and how you get a hold of it. But even then, for instance, in our Ogre system, we automatically do the coordinate space conversion for you, so you never even see the stylus pose in tracker space.